Friends, are you one of those people who can understand English very well but cannot speak? Or really? What's the reason? Why? Because we learn English as a subject, never as a language. So at this time, we won't be able to talk in English. Although you have been learning English for many years, you can understand native speakers. You can understand everything what I am saying right now, but when you have to talk in English, it becomes a problem for you, right? So, what's the solution? How to solve that? In my opinion, whatever you learn through social media, through your books, try to speak. Try to express yourself in English. Speak with children, speak with your sibling, speak with your students if you are a teacher. Do practice as much as possible. If you want to be a fluent speaker, only practice will help you. It's my personal experience. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Allah Hafiz friends.